Hi, thanks for checking out our channel here. This is going to be, hopefully, maybe, we'll see, repair video on this circuit board. This is from a Gallagher, this is from an electric fence charger, a 6-volt solar unit made by a company called Gallagher. They make a lot of electric fence boxes, solar, plug-in, battery-powered, and dual-powered AC/DC models. And then they've been around a long time, about 85 years or something like that. They've been around. They're a New Zealand company. And anyways, this is for a Gallagher Solar S17. The S17 came out as a launch model here in the United States in 1997 under the model S15. Looks just like the S17, but it's green case. And the early ones had a push button, later ones had a toggle switch like this. But so this technology here is pushing almost 30 years old. This particular board is 21 years old, 2004. 04 is when the... Okay, cat, I don't need your help. Go find something to do. So let me look at the note on it, see if the customer states on it. Won't charge fence. I believe transformer is bad. Well, that's a possibility. Let's get a power supply powered on. 6-volt units, so we'll set our power supply at 6.6 volts. That's plenty. It's not designed for 12 volts at all. Hook 12 volt to it, it pulse really kind of quickly for about 8-9 pulses and starts smoking on you. So it has to be ran by 6 volts only. This is a good model, the S17, S15, S17, and S22 model number. S22 is just an updated, fancier S17 for the most part. They share everything, but the boards are a little bit different. But if you count all three of those units, they ran from 1997 to about 2017. So 20-year production run. So they ran a long time. So let's hook our power supply up to it. Make sure the wires don't touch. Alright, clicking, flashing. These aren't loud units, but clicking and flashing is a good sign. Put our tester across this, the electric fence tester. Electric fence voltmeter. If you want one of these, let me know. We do stock them, or well, we will be stocking them, hopefully soon, at some point. But this will work on any brand, any model up to about 18 joules or smaller. There's no batteries inside this thing, so it just gets power from the fence charger or the fence. You can use it also on your fence as well to test it. There's no polarity. No, there's a red and black. There's no polarity. Doesn't matter which wire goes where. And the gauge isn't even bumping, but it is clicking and it is flashing. If it was flashing but not clicking, we'd have a 50-50 shot of it being the transformer. Because there are other devices that make the unit click. The clicking noise itself comes from the transformer. But right here, these two black things, those are diodes. Those are surface mounted diodes. Sometimes those can go bad. And they're right on the primary sides of the transformer to protect it. But if if one of those go bad, that'll keep the unit from clicking as well, even though it's flashing. So now we're going to take our desolder braid and pull the solder off each of these 4 terminals here. Now Gallagher themselves they made this board and this transformer was built by them in-house. So they don't make the orange one anymore. They used to make a red one. That was discontinued as a replaceable part in late 13. That was a cutoff date. The red ones were kind of junky. And the orange ones, they went to the orange ones were just discontinued as a part because they updated, went to the red ones. And they realized, oh, these red ones are shit. So they were only around for about 4 or 5 years with the red ones. And they came out the gray ones. Gray/white ones, that was they used those for, you know, about 10 years. Now we have these little spacers right here. We have to pull these out. Not just push those out. And so push these 2 tabs in. Oh, well, it'd work if I got all the solder off. I got a little bit of solder still left on here. Alright, let's see if it'll pop out of there now. Damn it. Come on. I don't have the overhead light on, that's why it's a little darker looking. I gotta turn that on so I can see what the hell I'm doing, I guess. Now I can see what I'm doing. There's a little solder right here on this back side. A little bit over here. And I think a little bit right there. Ow. Now, I think it'll pop off there. Yep, there it goes. Well, I don't see nothing burnt in there, but if you look at the back of the board, see that spot right there? So the solder, that was these 2 holes and those 2 holes, but there's a little spot right there, which looking at it, oh, there it is. All right there. Yeah, bad transformer. Alright, since Gallagher didn't offer transformers for these anymore, we have some custom made transformers made for these S17s. Made by the same place as making this tester for us. They're a manufacturer of electric fence products over in India. They've been in business for about 40 years now. The engineer guy that I sent the stuff to make these transformers, been there for 32 years of the 40-some years I've been in business. He's owned the company and ran it since for about 25 years now. When the owner passed away, he took it over. So he's a real smart guy. They know what they're doing. So these are custom made by him and his team over there. There's one. Get one started, and all the other ones go right into place. We got a little varnish on there. I gotta get off. solders not want to stick to those real well. They sort of do, but not all the way around. So I think there's a little varnish left over from when they installed those pins. And the solder doesn't like to stick to that. Why won't the solder stick? Oh yeah. Yeah, it's doing a lot better now. That one I gotta go back at. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's put our tester and meter, power supply and tester on it. Oh yeah. A little over 8,000 volts out of it now. About 8.5 kV out of it. Woo! All right, looks a little different, but if you take away a lot of that orange plastic, same exact dimensions. Just same pin out, just a little different shape to it. Alright, well this one's done. We'll write them up, call the customer up, and get her done. Alright, until next time, see you later on, and have a good rest of your day.